going to the coffee shop and I'm thinking maybe we should try to make a real coffee slime. So today I got this coffee powder. I'm going to add this powder into my slime to make my slime smell like coffee. Let's do it. Now I'm going to show you our material. No toxic clear glue borax. Coffee powder. On my cup of coffee, I'm going to add some whipping cream. So marshmallow slime to present whipping cream. So let's begin. So first we're going to make our coffee slime. 8 tablespoons. Try 3. In total, I add 9 tablespoons of my no toxic clear glue. Then we're going to add 9 tablespoons of water. 9, okay. Coffee powder. Now I add my coffee powder into my slime. So guys, now my glue smells like coffee, but the color I think maybe it's not really looks like, so I decide to add a little bit food color inside. Okay, that is my coffee. And now we're going to make our borax water. I will make here. So when you guys going to make the borax water, you guys need to notice borax shouldn't put too much because it will make your slime become bouncing. Just be careful the borax you're going to add. This is my borax water. So now I'm going to mix up my borax water and my glue. So you guys don't need to add too much borax in one time. Just add really slow and then you will get what you want. I think it's nearly done. We just need to keep stirring it. And it's not stick on your hand. Yes, perfect. This is super perfect. Okay, so I think my coffee is done. So I'm going to put my coffee slime into my cup. So guys, now we are going to make our whipping cream. First we put 2 tablespoons of the clear glue and half tablespoon of Lux shower cream. Shaving foam. We just add a little bit of borax powder and then fill up the water. Stir it gently. Gently add our borax water in our glue. So I believe it is done. So guys, this is our coffee cup. I already put my coffee slime inside and I add some ice cube, which is a crystal. So let's add some whipping cream. Ta-da! And don't forget to add our topping. Very beautiful. Cool. So guys, there's our coffee slime. So did anyone want some coffee? And then let's play it. So beautiful. Ooh. Looks so similar, looks so good. Here's my coffee slime. Okay, let's play it. Feel so excited. Smell just like coffee. So yeah, this is our coffee. Okay, so guys, there's our slime today, and our coffee slime is turned to this super soft. It's really comfortable and satisfied to play this slime. And this one will be one of my favorite slime. And if you like my video, please subscribe me and give me a thumb up. If you have any comment, please leave your comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to share us your DIY slime. You guys should try to do this one. Cool. Okay, bye.